Can you really earn PayPal cash by playing games on your phone? In this video, I will make a full review of AppFlame, withdraw a payment, and tell you the pros and cons from my experience. This app is only available on Android phones, so if you're an iPhone user, I'm sorry, but you won't be able to join. AppFlame has a score of 4.3 stars out of 5, and it was downloaded over 10 million times. Although it sounds good on paper, let me show you some of the top-liked comments. The most recent comment is from August 2022. This user hasn't used the app in a while. He's decided to log in again and got an error saying there has been suspicious activity on his account. When he clicks on the contact button, the whole app freezes. Another comment below from 2018. This user liked the app for the most part, but got some issues with it. He or she tried to contact their support and never heard back from them. From my personal experience, I can also confirm that their support never replied to a question I had a few weeks ago. You need to take that into consideration before signing up. If you have any issues, there might be no one to help you. The last comment here mentions a similar situation I'm in. Basically, this user used this app for a long time and collected a lot of points. However, her phone stopped working and had to get a new one. When she logged to the app on her new phone, she lost all of her points. She then emailed them, but never got any response either. In my case, I'm a bit more lucky. I also recently got a new phone and all my points are gone, but then I logged into AppFlame for my old phone and realized all my points were still there. I'm lucky my old phone is still working, otherwise my points will be completely gone. This means that all the points you earn from this app will stay on one phone only. When you change phones, all your points will be gone, so make sure to withdraw your cash very often. With that said, I will record from my old phone as I still have all my points there. So I'm now in, and this is basically the homepage of AppFlame when you first open it up. There is currently a bonus this weekend where you will earn twice the amount of coins for playing games. By the time you watch this video, the offer will be gone, but they've been doing this approximately once a week lately. The way this app works is that you will earn a certain amount of coins for every minute spent on the games featured here that you install and play. With the first game, you can currently earn 180 coins per minute. However, this is mostly only valid for the very first minute, and I will explain why shortly. With the second game featured here, you will earn 68 coins per minute. There are usually more games available to play, so whatever you see here could be different by the time you sign up. As you can see, I currently have 7,265 coins. However, I'm currently using my old phone. On my new phone, after installing the app, I only had 4,499 coins, which is the amount of coins you get when you first sign up. Anyway, as I have enough to cash out from this phone, let's go straight to the Payouts tab and select the first option. PayPal is the only method of payment, and 4,999 coins are worth 42 cents in euro. As of today, the euro and US dollar are currently worth about the same. This is historical, as the euro currency has often been stronger than the US dollar. However, this could change again by the time you watch this video. Before withdrawing your payment, you will simply need to enter your PayPal credentials. Once done, you will get this quick pop-up that says Payout in Progress. My current balance is now at 2,266 coins, and as I'm not using this old phone anymore, I would consider them lost. If you go to the top left corner, you will see a list of options, including Featured, which is just the home page where you can install games to earn. In My Apps, you will see all the games you've installed and played. This red message has been here for a while, and it just says that it can take a few minutes until installed apps and your usage are updated. I've played this game below a few months ago, so obviously my usage is up to date. As you can see, I played a total of 9 minutes and 33 seconds to earn all my points. As mentioned earlier, you start off with 4,999 coins, so I've only earned a bit over 2,000 coins overall. Even though I was earning quite a lot at first, you can see that to get another 118 coins, I would have to play another 232 seconds, which is the equivalent of nearly 4 minutes. The longer you play, the longer it will take to earn more points. That's kind of the downside of this app. It is, however, quite easy to earn your first 42 cents in my experience. The next section is your profile, and here, what matters most is your age and gender, so they can show you the most relevant games for your age group and gender. Info and help is kind of your FAQ, so most questions you might have are answered here. If you still need help, you can technically send their support a message. However, as mentioned earlier, you might never get an answer. The last section to earn more coins is by inviting friends. This part is very interesting, as you will receive 25% of all the coins your friends earn, and your friends will receive 25% of all the coins you earn. This referral program benefits both the exact same way, which is very uncommon. So I'm now going to pause the recording of this video and get back to you once they pay me. I'm back as I received this email from PayPal about 2 hours after I requested the payment on AppFlame. I received the full amount of 42 cents as there were no PayPal fees. To sum up, I made a quick pros and cons about AppFlame. Let's start with the pros. You get 4,499 coins when you first sign up, and you only need a few hundred coins more to reach the minimum withdrawal amount. They offer one of the best referral programs out there. If you invite a friend to AppFlame, your friend and yourself will earn 25% of everything you and your friend earns. The minimum withdrawal amount is extremely low, at only 42 cents in euro, or 4,999 coins. And finally, you get paid by playing on your phone. To me, that's the best part, as it doesn't require any effort other than playing the most you can to earn more money. Now the cons, in my opinion, are the following. You can only get paid via PayPal. Although it's my preferred option to get paid, PayPal is restricted or completely not supported in a few countries worldwide. Therefore, there is some limitation, and I believe they should introduce other methods of payment, like crypto or gift cards for example. The biggest con, in my opinion though, is that it's only available on one device. If you change your phone, you will lose all your earnings, so make sure to take out your cash before changing phones. Another con that I didn't write down is the fact that their support may never get back to you. This happened to a few people, as I showed you on the Google Play Store, and to myself, as I explained earlier. From my experience, you will get paid for playing games on your phone with this app, so that's the good news, but if you don't, unfortunately, there's not much you can do if the support doesn't reply to you. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button, and I will see you soon for another video.